Happy Halloween. Welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. And this is Froggy Friday. Or Froggy Friday. Right. So this, yet again, I'm doing something slightly different. So I have several plans. Whilst you're looking at all the pictures in the background. I was going to do a frog, mould, resin, standard, whippy. Yep, great. Cannot find any of my frog moulds. Chris should now be inserting a picture. It's in there somewhere. Right, yeah. So that was the first thing. The second thing, I was going to do a 3D print. Because was it Monday? Yep, on Monday I had confirmation that I have successfully passed my Bachelor of Science in Natural Sciences, Astrophysics and Planetary Sciences. I passed my degree with an upper second class. So, super proud of myself. So Chris bought me my very own 3D printing machine. So, yep, okay, found a file, I was going to print it. And, yeah, great, I was going to paint it. For starters, it took a little longer to get my printer set up. Right, fair enough. Still could do it. Yeah, I had a few issues. I had a few technical things I needed to sort out on it. By which time I'd managed to get the print started, I would never, ever, ever, ever get it done in time for tomorrow. So, as a backup, Chris printed the same file on his printer. Right, great. Still got a Froggy I can paint. Yeah, when I was trying to figure out how to paint PLA, I needed to sand and prime it. The sanding bit's not an issue. We don't have anything to prime it with. Yippee. So now we're what? 5 o'clock? 5 p.m? Thursday. This video's going out tomorrow at the time of recording this. I'm actually recording this voiceover. What time is it now?
9:34.
It's 9:34 p.m. and I'm recording this, so you'll be seeing momentarily I'm doing a painting, kinda. So I think by this point Chris will have started the recording. Now, I did this on my iPad. Now, it's a very, very, very old iPad. Never really used it much before. It came free with a contract phone many years ago. Anyway, now that I've started this painting malarkey, I've started using it. So, I'm using it for this. Now, at this point, I'm not sure how far in. I will be leaving you to Chris's music momentarily. But I am going to paint a Froggy. A Halloween Froggy. You'll get to see it, but that is not the only thing. You may notice the shape's a little odd. There is a reason for that, and that is because once it's complete, I'm actually going to be making a mug. We have a mug press, so what I'm wanting, whether Chris does it or not, that's up to him. He's the creative director kind of person who does all the editing. But what I would like is once I finish my painting and we transition over onto the final piece, the glamour shot, so to speak, or the glamour video, whichever we decide to do, it'll be a photograph in the press. And so that's how this video is going to go. So that's what I'm doing. I think I'm going to come back for recording to show off the mug. So we'll see. Anyway, we'll figure that out later on. Right, so waffle over. Yeah, I'll leave you to Chris's music. Right, catch you soon.
It's Crafty Rat on a spooky froggy day. Mother-in-laws are out to laugh and play. Ghosts are juggling pumpkins in the sky. a werewolf or a froggy just winked its eye. Spooky Froggy Friday, don't you run away. Crafty Rat is here, it's time for her to play. She's got glue, she's got glitter, she's got clay, making spooky froggies happy in her sway. The moon is dripping silver on the ground. Frogs with little hats are hopping all around. Is that a bat or a shadow in the air? Crafty Rat just chuckles, she doesn't care. Froggy with fangs, croaking a tune. Spooky fun under the pumpkin moon. Spooky Froggy Friday, don't you run away. Crafty Rat is here, it's time for her to play. She's got glue, she's got glitter, she's got clay, making spooky froggies happy in her sway. Cobwebs in her pocket, scissors in her hand. She's building froggy castles haunted in the sand. The ghosts are doing cartwheels, witches tap their toes. Crafty Rat just grins, and the froggy magic grows.
Crafty Rat's got her scissors in hand. A spooky Froggy's hopping through the land. Pumpkins fly like they just don't care. Is that a werewolf or a froggy with hair? It's Froggy Friday, oh so spooky. Mother-in-laws are feeling kooky. Crafty Rat's here to save the day. She's making magic in her crafty way. The ghosts are laughing with a pumpkin grin. Spells are swirling, let the night begin. A haunted breeze whispers through the air. Crafty Rat's Froggy has a devil-may-care stare. She snips, she glues, she paints a scene. The spookiest Froggy you've ever seen. It's Froggy Friday, oh so spooky. Mother-in-laws are feeling kooky. Crafty Rat's here to save the day. She's making magic in her crafty way. Is it slime or just the glue? Froggy's got a spooky hue. Werewolves howl, the clock strikes 10. Crafty Rat will do it again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh. It's Crafty Rat on a spooky ride. Froggy Friday's here.
Let's glide.
Mother-in-law's out to play today.
Special day.
No rules.
No way. Pumpkins fly. Ghosts take flight. A hairy Froggy in the pale moonlight.
Oh, Crafty Rat.
Oh, Crafty Rat.
She's got the knack.
He's back again.
Spooky Froggies.
On the attack.
Don't the attack.
Don't be attacked.
Don't be scared.
It's just a way.
It shakes the rat.
She saves the way.
Crafty Rat. She saves the day. Werewolves howl, or is that a frog?
Cackling witches in the midnight fog.
Her hands are busy, scissors and glue.
Creating chaos, it's what she'll do. Spooky shapes glitter in the air. Crafty magic everywhere.
Oh, Crafty Rat.
See Rat the rat.
She's got the knack.
She's got the knack.
Spooky Froggies.
On the attack.
On the attack.
On the attack.
Don't be scared.
It's just her way.
We're Crafty
She
Rat.
saves the day.
Crafty Rat. She saves the day.
Right, so I couldn't quite do a demold, so I'm doing the next best thing.
An unwrap.
An unwrap, yay! So apologies if the camera's not very still. I'm holding it, it's not on a tripod or anything. But before I take this off, sorry about the nasty nail varnish, and show you the end result, just wanted to say that this video is part of the Froggy Friday collaboration, which was started by Karen from the Dragon's Cave and Lisa from Girl in the Garage. It is also supported by Lula the Nerd Goblin. Yeah, sorry, mind blank, my cat's just doing dodgy things. Lula the Nerd Goblin. Sorry, Chris is just throwing things. Tim the Bass Resonator and Gert Creates. So just wanted to get that out there. Right, so Chris is now going to take this wrapping off whilst I hold the camera. So with this, I've stuck, because I've printed the image, I've stuck it down with what is it? Heat resistant tape. Heat resistant tape. So Chris is just having to get all that off without unwrapping it, so we can unwrap it. Now I have done one mug already, and I shall show you that whilst he's doing that. I designed this. I did this background again on my iPad, and then created these little images, these little rats. So that was the first ever time I'd made a mug, and I absolutely love it. And I've also created a little logo. It's the Crafty Rat. I've done that. I've printed some bits off on my Cricut, so any of my makes that make, I'm going to stick them on out of vinyl. Right, is he getting there?
Yeah, I didn't realise you'd stuck a big piece on bottom.
Oh. Right. Oh, fingers crossed. Oh, have you seen what he's doing? He gets to see it first. Dee 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 dee. Oh, that is so cute. If I do say so myself. Right, so that is this week's Halloween, because it's Halloween on the day this video's aired, which is tomorrow, or maybe in what, 2 hours, because we're, oh no, 1.5 hours, because we're 22:37 at the moment. Right, so I hope everyone's having a good evening, a good day. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you liked my painting, drawing, whatever it's called. Yeah, so please like
Missed a bit.
Please like and comment below, that would be much appreciated. If you're not already subscribed, please do so, and I will catch you for the next video. Bye guys.
She's the crafty rat with her spinning light, turning the broken into something